Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today I'll be showing you how to make pizza from scratch. So it's a really easy recipe which you can make at your home. So while you watch the video, I'll be giving you some pro tips. So while activating the yeast, you can use milk instead of water, but I use water because it's the most favorable recipe recommended by the chefs. And after sieving and the flour and salt, you can also add the yeast in the pan and just sieve the flour and salt above it. So in one bowl you can just mix all together. A pro tip would be to use some cold water while kneading the dough. So this is a very easy recipe. Not only pizza based, but you can also make a loaf bread, a baguette. You can also use this recipe to make a focaccia. You can definitely alter the recipe as per your needs, but this is the most easiest recipe that I have found out. So while making the pizza dough, just remember to stretch the dough from the edges. And one more pro tip would be to use ice cubes. So ice cubes will and let the gravity do the work. So it will stretch your pizza, cook, and prepare other things for pizza.